How to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly when you open the Chrome browser and in the new tab if you try to search anything, the search will appear in the Yahoo. Now so as to turn this off and change it, simply click on the three lines at the top left corner, scroll all the way down and go to Settings. Now, in the settings of Chrome, go to On Startup, click on Open a specific page, click on Remove and add a new page. Simply write www.google.com in the site URL and click on Add. Once you do, now the URL has been added. Now go to Search Engine, click on Change and choose the option of Google. Click on Set as Default and refresh your page to enable these settings. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.